The Samsung RF22KREDBSR has the most unique features for French door refrigerator without smart home connectivity. We'll review all the features as well as its reliability in this video. Hi, I'm Steve Scheinkoff, CEO of Yale Appliance and Lighting, Boston and Framingham, Massachusetts. First, like many other French door refrigerators, this refrigerator is a counter depth unit. It will not protrude from your cabinets for a much more upscale look in your kitchen. This refrigerator has two very distinct features from a classic 3-door French door refrigerator. It has door within a door. This allows you to easily access milk and juices on the door itself without having to open the whole compartment. You also have two drawers beneath the main compartment. The first drawer allows you to convert the temperature setting between refrigerator and freezer. Drawers are a great place to store snacks for kids so they don't rummage through your whole refrigerator. Both the refrigerator and top drawer offer metal cooling. It's a stainless steel panel designed to maintain the cold air better than plastic, so your milk's juices remain a colder temperature even when you open the door. Lastly, based on our 30,000 plus service calls completed in 2017, Samsung is the most reliable manufacturer of French door refrigerators. However, that number is still high at 16% service within the first year, versus 25% average for most other brands' French door refrigerators. So if you want an attractive and super functional as well as reliable refrigerator, you should definitely consider this Samsung.